founder, chairman, sir, Dr. Vijay Kumar Sahu. Today I will say thought of the day. Today's thought is be the best or different from the rest. Let's move to our school news. Little Star say big thank you to the teacher on Teacher's Day. Thank. Today's word is learning mentor. It means a person who helps a child to be safe, confident and ready to learn. Fact of the day is our founder Dr. Vijay Kumar Sahu always believed in Guru Shishya Parampara. Do you know who is he? He is our ex-president, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was highly respected and beloved teacher, and he believed teachers are the backbone of our society. And when he was asked to celebrate his birthday, he said, instead of celebrating my birthday, celebrate it as a Teacher's Day to honor all the teachers. To honor every teacher who saved, help our future. Our beloved gentleman, sir, Dr. Vijay Kumar Sahu was a great teacher. Now, my dear friends, let's wish all the teachers a very happy Teacher's Day through sign language. Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you. I am here to share something with you. In everyone's life, there are two guiding lights, our parents and our teachers. Parents give us life, love and strength to take our first step. Teachers enter as strangers but become our guiding stars, shaping our dreams and futures. They teach not just from books but from the heart. They correct, care and inspire us every day. Today we are here to honor our amazing teachers, our true gurus with a special performance. We hope you enjoy it and feel the love and respect we hold for each one of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Morning light is shining bright, ready for the day ahead. We're here to show our love and thanks for everything you've said. Classrooms filled with joy and fun, every moment a new chance. You taught us more than books and sums, life's an endless dance. Happy Teacher's Day to you, for all the dreams made true. Lifting spirits high and strong, we give thanks through this song. Guiding us through right and wrong, with a heart so pure and kind. You've made us feel we all belong in the world of endless mind. Every lesson learned so well, every story you would tell. From a chalkboard's magic spell, we know you care, we can tell. Building futures with your hand, and patience, love, new chance. You'll carry forward all your plans with a grateful smile. Happy Teacher's Day to you, for you, for all the dreams made true, laid true. Lifting it with your hands, with patience, love and kindness. You carry forward all your plans with a grateful smile. Happy Teacher's Day to you, for all
teachers for all their love and hard work. But first, we would like to invite our dear principal ma'am to come on the stage.
Children, on behalf of all the teachers over here, thank you so much for the absolutely wonderful performance, for the warm wishes. You really, really have made our day. Thank you so much.